The following contest is a tag team match set for one fall. On the way to the ring, at a combined weight of 403 pounds, Angel and Los Garzas!
Despite their tactics, you can't deny the level of talent on display in Legado del Fantasma.
Yeah, we're talking multi-generational talents, unbelievable star power. I would say there is no team quite like Legado.
Truly exceptional and well aware of their collective abilities. Legado continually looking to stake claim at the top of the mountain in WWE and in the record books of Lucha Libre.
Well, if anyone can do it, it's this group. We're about to witness the result of nearly 2 decades of teamwork.
The Motor City Machine Guns operate like a well-oiled machine.
And their opponents, at a combined weight of 420 pounds, Alex Shelley and Chris Sabin, the Motor City Machine Guns!
So much speed and agility between the two.
You can't sell them short on their technical game either. The Motor City Machine Guns have innovated and influenced so many modern tag teams.
Years of hard work finally paying off for the Machine Guns. Here we go, match underway with the Motor City Machine. Uh-oh. Crossface! This might just do it. This might just end it all.
And rolls him off.
Now propped up in the corner.
Tag made. Clothesline into the buckle, and look at this series of strikes. Unbelievable teamwork, capped off with a flying knee. No, there's more to come. Are you kidding?
That was that chemistry you cannot teach.
Oh, that could break an arm. Where's Shelley going now?
He's still reeling, and more punishment is incoming. From the top!
Oh, went for it all, but gets nothing.
Jumping knee strike on point.
Body slam.
That is the Angel we have all come to know.
Just using their foot as a weapon.
So ruthless.
He puts him into the corner.
From the middle. What a...
He's got him down for the pin here. Wow, talk about making the save. Makes the much-needed tag.
Oh, short arm chopped. We're gonna hang on.
Front face lock applied, has the leg hook. Swinging fisherman neckbreaker. Clothesline to the outside. Able to hang on for the moment.
Oh, the counters with a shoulder to the gut.
What a forearm.
And security finds its mark. Look at this.
Suplex.
Now trampling the opposition.
nasty right hand. Enziguri to the floor.
An overbearing amount of offense against Saban here.
And a full court press applied to Saban.
Oh, knee strike. Oh, right on the jaw. Check this out.
Uh-oh.
Moonsault with an assist.
Nicely done.
And here's the cover.
He's able to kick out before two.
Not time to expect victory yet.
Getting the fresh partner in here.
And here we go.
Uh-oh. Oh, to the back of the neck. What a lariat.
Oh, ouch. He's looking to go high risk from the top rope. Oh, Saban creates an opportunity.
I think we know what he's thinking, and it's not going to be...
Saban from the top. Hail Saban.
Saban's ready for something big.
Super kick.
Has him in the corner, thinking of the next move.
Missile drop kick into the flatliner.
Putting up a united front as this match continues.
Man, what timing on that counter.
He's getting back up, straight into harm's way.
Uh-oh.
High risk, cross body.
Showing reckless abandon. There was every chance that could have gone wrong, but instead, it was right on the money.
Looking to go up high.
From the top rope, missile drop kick on point.
Oh, gets out of that by using a jawbreaker.
Sent right into the corner.
Reversal after reversal. These two have counters for days.
Crucifix head scissors.
At this stage, he's endured plenty of big attacks.
At this point in the match, I say make the tag and recover as much as you can.
Hard into the corner.
Man, did you see the whiplash off the turnbuckles?
Arm wringer into the Kimura.
The arm's trapped. Not finding an easy way to get out of this one. There's no escape, but maybe there is. Wow, how impressive was that? Oh, no, not the ref. Inverted face lock into an elbow drop.
He makes the tag here.
And landing with the double axe handle. Chris Saban is just begging for a fight. All the way to the floor.
Hung out to dry.
He's able to counter that. Oh, nice takedown. Oh, what a bridge. He breaks the pin before a 1 count.
I'm just as shocked as everyone else, Cole, his opponent included.
Super kick.
Good night. Measuring him now, lining it up.
Look out!
Somersault plancha.
Risking it all and able to connect like a homing missile. A little cockiness here from Saban.
He might might just be stalling for time here.
Goes down low, kick to the gut, and now setting up for, oh my,
Frog leg Michinoku driver. 2, and still in this.
somehow, some way, he is still in this. After all we've seen, these men are still not finished.
There's a fire burning inside these competitors that won't allow them to quit.
I can't imagine the pain being felt right now. Tag made, double team coming from Saban and Shelley. From the top, skull and bones.
Angel is in the worst way now. And it's over. Big tag team win there.
Here are your winners, Alex Shelley and Chris Saban, the Motor City Machine Guns.
And a big-time victory for this tag team here tonight.
If you're Legado del Fantasma, this is not how the night was supposed to go down.
After a defeat like this, it is crucial to find a way to get back on track.